Hello, I am Pranit. In this session, I am going to explain see in and see out Endel objects. In the last session, I have explained a basic C++ program. So, in this session, we will see about see in, see out, and Endel objects. If you see here, this is the header file, first line, and second line is using namespace std standard. Okay, so namespace using the two keywords. So it's like a library. It allows us to use cout, scene, and endl objects. Okay, see here endl objects. Okay, endl means end line. Okay, so it works like slash n in C program. Okay, so it will print the line, the upcoming line in the next line. Okay, so simply it works like slash n. Remember, it works like slash n. So I'll explain what is the difference between slash n and endl. See here, this is the main function. Main function tells the compiler from where the execution begins. Okay, so usually execution starts from the main function. Okay, so first one, here we have declared one variable name is age. Okay, so in C++ also the same rules, declaration of a variable, declaration of identifier is nothing but a variable. Okay, so the rules are similar. Okay, so data types also almost all same. We have some other data types are there. In user defined data type we have uh, class is added. Okay, so class user defined data type is added apart from other data types what we have like struct, okay, union, type def, enum. Apart from those we have another data type called class in user defined data type. Okay, so the remaining data types are similar. Okay, so int is the data type here and age is the variable. Here I want to take input from the keyboard, that is from the user, for age variable. Okay, so for that we need to write one printf statement, that is cout. So it works like printf statement, already I said in the last session. So cout is an object, console output. So whatever the text or whatever the variable or whatever the value present in this insertion operator will print on the console, means output screen. Okay, so what is there here? Enter your age. Okay, so to accept input from the user we have a scene object. Scene, this is extraction operator. Okay, this is insertion operator. So use the extraction operator and write the variable name. What is the variable name? Where you want to store the value, for which variable you want the value, means for age variable. Okay, write that variable here, and so with this statement you can give a value to the age variable. Okay, so after getting the value, just again print that variable with the cout text your age is. Age should be printed, no? So write the age variable by using insertion operator. Okay, so text must have one insertion operator, and if you want to print age, that is variable. If you want to print variable, again you must write insertion operator. Okay, so if you want to write endl also, you must use one insertion operator. Okay, so the difference between endl and slash n is for endl it does not occupy any memory. Okay, for slash n, in the memory it occupies 1 byte of memory. Okay, so to save the memory, make a habit of using writing endl. Okay, so endl does not occupy any memory. Slash n means again some amount of memory will be wasted in the memory. Okay, so that is the only major difference between endl and slash n. So let me execute this program. enter your age. I'm giving 5. Your age is 5. Okay, so what is there here? So what is the first age is there. So execution starts from the main int age. For age, a memory is allocated of 4 bytes. Okay, so in this software, in this compiler, the integer size is 4. Okay, so for age, memory is allocated. And next statement, cout, enter your age. So enter your age. So I have given age as 5. So 5 will go and store in the address of age by using cin. Okay, so you can give input. It will prompt you to give one input. It will ask one input. Okay, so the input, the given input will go and store in the address of a. Okay, so in this statement, what you are doing in the third statement, your age is, again you are printing by using cout object. Your age is there in the double quotes and insertion operator age. What you are printing again? By using cout, by using insertion operator, you are asking to print the value present in the age. What is the value present in the age? 5. Okay, so 5 is printed. Clear? So here I will do another example. Just check it. So here I am taking 2 variables, a comma b comma c comma d, 3 variables. Let me take 3 variables. Cout, enter values. Okay, so endl I am using here. Cin. So what are the variables? A, B, C, D. Okay, I want to add A, B, C. Clear? So cin, I want 3 inputs. So write cin A, B, C. Okay. So for every variable, it must be associated with the insertion or extraction operator. Insertion or extraction operator. See here, I want to give input for A. So cin extraction operator A. I want to give input for B. Cin extraction operator B. I want to give input for C. Cin extraction operator C. Okay. So here I am doing a D is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. So here simply I am writing the values are, see here, if you want to print 3 values, A, B, okay, C, just check it. So it is asking to give input. So I gave 23, enter, 434, 454 or 45. The values are 23, 43, 434, 445. So all are mixed here. So what happened here? So after every variable, if you give /n or endl, it will print in the next line. Endl, after B, endl. Okay. So no need of endl here. There is no next line. That's why no need. So see here, 22, 1, 34. The values are 23, 21, 34. Okay. So this is how you can print all the values at a time. Suppose if you want to print a text in the middle, suppose the values are A, B, C. Suppose I want to add some text in the middle. So again keep insertion operator, add text here. So the text must be always in double quotes. Sum of A, B, C is, okay, text must be in double quotes always, and it must be associated with insertion operator. Okay, so again I want to print a D. So what you need to do, it must be every variable or every text, every endl, okay, all must be associated with insertion operator. If it is a cout, if it is a cout, every variable, see here, every variable, okay, every text, each and every text must be associated with insertion operator, must be associated with insertion operator, okay, insertion operator, clear? So here I want to give I want to print d. Why? Because a plus b plus c is stored in d, okay. So write d, not simply writing d, by using insertion operator, okay. So cout, the values are cout a, that is print the values are print a, print b, print c, print sum of abc is print d, okay. So this is how you need to use cout and cin in the programs, okay. So if there are more than one variable, just use the insertion operator, give that variable, insertion operator, give that variable, okay. So this is how you need to use cin and cout in C++ programs, okay. So these rules are similar like C language only, clear? So no need to use clear screen, get ch, okay, all those statements in C++ language. Why? Because if you are using in turbo C, you must use those statements, but here in dev C++ it is not required. Why? Because it is a little bit higher version. So clear screen is automatically cleared, the background, the console output screen is automatically cleared here, okay. So get ch is also not required. So if there is a no get ch and no clear screen, no need of using console input output conio.h header file, okay. So don't use conio.h header file when you are working with dev C++ software. Just remember here, don't keep .h. If you are using turbo C software, use iostream.h. Otherwise don't use iostream.h. Simply write iostream hash include iostream, okay. And this using namespace will not work in turbo C++, turbo C software, okay. So it works in higher versions of this one, dev C++, clear? So if you have any doubts, please watch again, definitely you will get understand these basic programs. So watch, so please share my video, please subscribe my channel to get new updates. Thank you for watching.